It's Sunday, September 10th, and the purpose of this video is to show the condition of the trail here in Foxstone Park. This is the portion that is proposed to be removed, and we'll see what the condition is. And there's the trail going back up to Midlothian Court. Okay. All right. Not going to be the most exciting video, but I'm just going to walk the path to show the general condition. There is a concern about removing it among the neighborhood, that it does not need to be removed because it's in decent condition, with the exception of the drainage culvert, which absolutely does require a repair. So far so good. I mean, other than a couple cracks, which don't really appear to need repair, it's in really nice shape. Buckled a little bit with the roots, but not bad. Certainly passable. Ooh, I got a bee following me. Okay, so coming up here, obviously this is in dire need of repair, and this is what we've been asking the county to repair for quite some time. At least a year, probably I think even longer than that, a few years. And then there's the little drainage runoff. Used to be paved and no longer is, so neighbors are still using it. And it's actually pretty easy to pass over here. It's really only once you get to the point that was paved that it kind of falls in, but here it's actually decent. There's a little runoff ditch there, and anyways, the trail just picks up here. And again, you know, really, except for that area, I think you'll see this in a moment, but really except for this, which, you know, no question this needs to be repaired. Except for that, the trail is really in great condition. And I just don't see how it makes sense to tear up the whole thing when all that's needed is repair to that one area. By the way, here's what appears to be another drainage area. You see the cement, looks like the end of a culvert or something, but over top of it the trail is not even cracked. I mean, it's undisturbed. So we're coming up on the second crossing . The second drainage culvert. And this one probably could use a little work, but it's still totally passable. It's not unsafe. Little overgrowth on the sides, but not really a big deal. I'm just pointing the camera down as I walk over it. Asphalt in the center is still in really nice condition. If we look down here, it's sinking a little bit on the edges. This edge is still is still good. By the way, you can see hopefully that this area is mowed, so it's actually still maintained. And this is where the removal of the trail would presumably end, and there's the trail going over the bridge to the other side of the creek. So that wraps it up. Hope this is helpful.